Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to add WhatsApp to your PC. So first things first, let's head over to Chrome. So you have to open Chrome here. Then we search for on the Google search bar. You enter WhatsApp Web and search for it. Then they will show you a few options, which includes WhatsApp Web, link WhatsApp to devices. So we click the WhatsApp Web. So once done, it will show you this page. So log into WhatsApp Web, message privately with friends and family using WhatsApp or your browser. Open WhatsApp on your phone. This is how to link your WhatsApp. This is how to link your WhatsApp. So I will show you today is how to add WhatsApp and select WhatsApp easily. So if you read through this is how to link the WhatsApp. This is very simple. If you open your phone, if you're using Android or iPhone, for Android users, is tap the menu bar on your Android, or iPhone users is settings. So once you open the settings, then tap link devices, then link a device. Let me show you that first. Link device, then point your phone at the screen to scan the QR code. Once you scan this, your WhatsApp will be on your phone. But that's not what we are showing you today. What I'm showing you today in this video is how to add WhatsApp to your PC as an app. So the first things first, you click this option here, these three dots at the top right corner. So once you click these three dots, these options will come. Depending on the PC you're using, you have to scroll and search for more tools. Then you see the options. But for my own PC, that was the Pro, you see save and share. So once you click the save, if once you click the save and share, it's open this other extension. Then it will show you open WhatsApp in web note. Then we'll create what shortcut. So what we are creating today is shortcuts. So once you click create shortcuts, this will be added to your PC. The next thing you have to do is change the name you want it to answer. So basically, we want you to answer only WhatsApp with capital letters. So WhatsApp, and this will be what you will be seeing in your desktop area. So here in the desktop area, you can see it WhatsApp with the logo. So now, anytime you want to open your WhatsApp, instead of going through Chrome, you just simply select this and your WhatsApp will open. So if this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.